Hey, what's today?
July 24th, 2010.
And what's your name?
Molly
Molly what?
Brown.
Oops.
Molly Brown.
Okay. So Molly Brown, what makes you happy?
When I do nice things.
And what makes you laugh?
When somebody tells me a joke.
And what do you love?
I'm not sure all this stuff.
You love all the stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Like what? Name 3 things that you love.
Flowers.
Flowers,
Ballet.
ballet.
Princesses.
Good answers.
And princess fairies and fairies.
Princess fairies and fairies.
Uh-huh.
And Molly,
What?
what are you afraid of?
Giants and monsters and dragons and dinosaurs and pirates.
All those things?
Uh-huh.
Can you think of anything else that you love?
One more thing.
Wait, look here.
One more thing.
What else?
To wear dresses.
You love to wear dresses?
Mm-hmm.
Can you show me the dress you're wearing right now? Does it twirl?
Yes.
And does that make you happy?
Yes.
Do you have anything else you'd like to say?
No.
Okay, bye.